Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to get fast experience in Brawl Stars. So I'm going to show you an example of this article from U7Buy. So I'm just going to get straight to the point and tell you the fastest ways of gaining experience in the game. So of course, best way is just actively playing the game, but if you want to get into the specifics, so if you want to optimize and gain more experience faster, you want to rank up low-level brawlers, so that will make sure that you have a constant flow of experience. So if you have low-level characters that need leveling, just level them, just play them and level them and get some really good experience. Also, if you don't want to waste your time, which I do not recommend of course, choose some fast game modes that will make sure that you're spending less time and getting more experience out of it. So that's going to be a very good tip. Prioritize fast game modes if you're aiming at gaining substantial experience. Also make sure to collect your player advancements rewards. Now next we have various amounts of treasure boxes. So you need to open them and you get new brawlers and other valuable loot and items. Alright, so the most coveted mega boxes are available at a certain milestones, so levels 5, 10, 15, 25 and 35, and these boxes contain a lot of crucial items, as you can see, and that of course will aid you in leveling up quite fast. So if you're looking to spend some money, you can also consider purchasing a leveled up Brawl Stars account, which I do not recommend. You're supposed to be playing the game by yourself, not just buying an account. That's just cheap. So, but if you want to do that, go ahead. So in general, upgrade your brawlers, collect the trophies, all of the boxes, treasures, open them, farm brawl boxes to get the valuable rewards. Also level up and advance your brawlers as well at the same time to get the most out of your game and of course gain experience and progress through the game faster. So in conclusion, just play the game as much as you can, collect your rewards, achieve the milestones, don't forget to level up your brawlers, and in this way you'll be having your high level in no time. If you liked the video guys, press the like button, subscribe to the channel. I'm going to leave the link to this website in the description, and of course enjoy the game, and I will see you in the next tutorial.